So what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Right now we're gonna be installing some Tome. You said it. Nah, I'm just playing. We're gonna be installing some LED lights on the bumper, the ones that replace the yellow reflectors. It seems kind of difficult, maybe because I don't know anything about wiring or anything like that. But I got my homeboy's help, so we're gonna try it up a little bit. What we've done so far, well, obviously lifted up the car, took off the wheels. That's one of the things you have to do. To run the wires from one side to another, you're gonna have to take out your undershroud, make things easier. My homeboy got everything wired up, ready to go. I need to take this one off, but I'll be showing you what it looks like with the new ones. Well, this is what it looks like now. I can only imagine what it looks like when it's on. Looking clean. Man, this is beautiful ass view. But watch, this one better, this one better. We got the Tome for 1, the Z for 2, and then the flag for 3.
Alright, we're about to test this. See if my brother hooked it up right. My boy Edgar right here doing his thing.
Yup. Alright, turn on.
Ooh.
Alright, bet. Put your signal.
Damn.
Oh.
Oh shit. Kill him. There's some mismatch on them cables though, cause hold it like
the wire is the right one. I don't know why it takes so long. Doing it?
Nope. Oh. Alright.
I don't know if it's mentioned yet.
Nah.
hell no. What the fuck you wanted the light when you already turned?
Alright, we're gonna figure out this issue then.
Alright, so this is fucked up apparently. So what they're gonna do is put this one and maybe it'll go on time, or because it's all ran off of the same wire, so maybe there's like a hold back. Alright, so you think this is gonna work?
Yeah, hopefully.
We ain't got no option.
You gonna cut it?
Hey, I need to get this other one and hook it up too, right?
What you doing, cuz? Oh my god. Oh my god. What are you doing?
It won't go in.
It won't go in? It won't go in? What's that?
No.
What the hell you did? Damn, man. You don't fuck up. Alright, so everything is fucked now.
Everything's fucked now.
God, thanks.
Oh shit. Look at this shit, guys. What's up, big? Oh.
Yeah, it's late.
It's late. Do this one? Oh, you don't have it connected?
No.
Alright. They got it. They just need to figure it out what the fuck so it can synchronize. How you feeling, bro?
Kinda stupid.
Kinda.
I do.
The OG mechanic.
Alright guys, so this is how pretty much it's gonna look. The green wire, which is your signal, it's gonna connect with your yellow signal. The red is gonna be your power, your main power source, which I connected it to the little badass that your bulb should have, which is right here, this red wire. Just splice it, connect it to your red. That's it. Getting some zip ties put on and making it look nice and trying to make it look as OEM as possible. And yeah, turn them on real quick. This the homie. Go ahead. Oh, okay. At first it's gonna do that. It's not gonna blink, but once you do it the second time, they should blink. I don't know why it does that. Y'all can probably figure that out. Let me know. I have a homeboy that has the same problem. He installed them and I don't know. I guess it just worked like that. It looks good though.
It looks clean up?
Yeah, you need to put some other
I
headlights.
know.
And you get the
Hey,
headlights
check it
clean.
out, check it out.
You saw the ones that your homie had?
Oh, you know what?
It looked like he
Hey,
had
the hazards.
Oh, there you go. Shit fire.
Oh, that big thing.
So on the other side, all you gotta do is pretty much just connect the signal light. The signal wire, I said light, to the green, the same green one as the other side. This wire actually comes from the signal light bulb, and it's gonna be the green wire connected to the yellow, and that's it. You just gotta make everything look nice after that. Try to make it look neat, OEM as possible, and that's it, man.
He's just gonna do some flybys right now. See how it looks. Damn, that bit loud. That be clean, dog. Yeah. Let me go.